got a friend in me. Oh, you got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed, you just remember what your old pal said, 'cause you got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. Oh, you got a friend in me. You got troubles, I got them too. There isn't anything I wouldn't do for you. We stick together, we can see it through, 'cause you got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. Well, some of the folks might be a little bit smaller than I am, bigger and stronger too, but none of them will ever love you the way I do. It's me and you, boy, and as the years go by, our friendship will never die. You're gonna see it's our destiny. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me, don't you know? Oh, you got a friend in me. Cheers. Most of my covers are from films. This next one is a cover, and it's also from a film. Well, I found out about it from a film. But has anyone seen the film Shrek? Big green guy, ears, ogre, swamp. This song is on that film, the first one, not the many, many different ones they've done to suck the life out of the franchise. But anyway, not saying that. Yeah, this is All Star by Smash Mouth. Somebody once told me the world was gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. Well, she was looking kinda dumb with a finger and a thumb in the shape of an elf on her forehead. But the years start coming and they don't stop coming. You fed to the rules and you hit the ground running. Did it make sense not to live for fun? Your brain gets smart but your head get dumb. So much to do, so much to see. So what's wrong with taking the back streets? Never know if you don't go. You never shine if you don't glow. Hey now, you an all-star. Get the game on and go play. Hey now, you're a rock star. Get the show on and get paid. All that glitters is gold. And only shooting stars break the mold. It's a cool place, and they say it gets colder. You're gonna die now, wait till you get older. But the medium man begs to differ, judging by the hole in the satellite picture. Ice we skates, getting pretty thin. Water's getting warm, see I might as well swim. My world's on fire, how about yours? That's the way I like it, and I never get cold. Hey now, you're an all-star, get the game on and go play. Hey now, you're a rock star, get the show on and get paid. All that glitters is gold, and only shooting stars break the mold. Somebody once asked, and I spare some change for gas. I need to get myself away from this place. I said, yep, what a concept. Well, I could use a little fuel myself, and we could all use a little change. Oh, well, the years start coming and they don't stop coming. You fed to the rules and you hit the ground running. Did it make sense to live for fun? Brain gets smart, but the head get dumb. And there's so much to do, there's so much to see. So what's wrong with taking the back seats? Never know if you don't go. You never shine if you don't glow. Hey now, you're a rock star, get the show on and get paid. Hey now, you're a rock star, get the show on and get paid. All that glitters is gold, and only shooting stars break the mold. Cheers. I don't really write set lists. It's quite boring. It's taking 10 minutes at a time to decide what songs to do. I'd rather take 20 minutes on stage. We're messing around with tunings and stuff to decide what song I'm doing. This is a song I wrote when I was about 16. It's called Star. You can get it for free online, tobiasrobertson.com. Little plug there. This song is about being a good friend, so I hope you all have good friends. It's important. I know you need this more than you know. Hey, chin up, kid, you got a long way to go, and I'll stay with you. I'll dry your tears, nothing can harm you. When I'm here, we'll damn them all. It'll be like light that never fails, and shine so bright, shine so bright. I'll be your light when you need me, and I'll shine bright so you can always see, no matter who you're with or where you are. I'll shine for you, I'll be your star, I'll be your star. If you fall down, I'll pick you up. Be the one you can believe in. I'll be the one you can trust. And I won't give in until you smile for me. My light will shine on you and set you free. And when your heart ignites and you see the truth, I'll be here waiting to shine my light on you, shine my light on you. I'll be your light when you need me, and I'll shine bright so you can always see, no matter who you're with or where you are. if you fall down, I'll pick you up. Be the one you can't believe in. Be the one you can trust. Cheers. I used to be so carefree, but blissfully ignorant. And now I see things that I needed were only things that I want. And I now know false pursuits of gold will only lead me to my fall. And now I must search for my true worth, the only thing that keep me going at all. So must I change my ways on this road I have paved with broken stones that need mending? Can't keep pretending I know what I'm doing anymore. And I will keep my head on this road I do tread. Will I make it to the end with life left to spend? I don't know. But if there's one thing of which I'm sure, I've never been this confused and alone before. I used to know what I wanted from my life as a whole. Now I don't know what to do with this sad and exhausted soul. I wish that I could write it down so that it would all make sense. Maybe one day someone will say something to bring it all back again. So must I change my ways on this road I have paved with broken stones that need mending? Can't keep pretending I know what I'm doing anymore. And I will keep my head on this road I do tread. Will I make it to the end? Will I never stand? I don't know. But if there's one thing of which I'm sure, I've never been this confused and alone before. Must I change my ways on this road I have paved with broken stones that need mending? Can't keep pretending I know what I'm doing anymore. And I will keep my head on this road I have tread. Will I make it to the end with life left to spend? I don't know. But if there's one thing of which I'm sure, never been this confused and alone before. Cheers. The next song I'm going to play is a song called Red Door. It's just like a little story, I guess. So hope you enjoy it. I hope you're enjoying it so far as well. It's quite nice, isn't it? Not a bad thing on a Sunday afternoon, sit down and listen to music for free. I think the worst way to spend a Sunday. Well, I may not have known you long, at least you already know that I miss you when you're gone. I wish that you'd never go. I could have begged you to stay. I thought I could change it all, if there was any price to pay. No order in mind would be too tall when you get home. My heart won't be so sore, and I'll have a smile on my face, the whole world on a plate. Standing outside your red door. Well, now you know I don't care for boundaries, 'cause I'll kiss you when you're sick. I'll watch you leave homebound without me. Well, that bus left much too quick, and if I could, I'd have stopped it so I could see you one more time. I'd run forever, though I'm not fit enough to call you mine. When you get home, my heart won't be so sore. I'll have a smile on my face, the whole world on a plate. Standing outside your red door. And now you're home again, and my heart is in my throat. My hands shake with adrenaline as you hear the words I wrote. Well, I may not have known you long, at least you already know I missed you while you were gone. Now I'm so glad you're home. When you get home, well, my heart won't be so sore, and I'll have a smile on my face, the whole world on a plate. Standing outside your red door, and you know I can't lie, 'cause I promised you before I'll be outside that red door. Well, I'll be outside that red door. Hey. This is a song called Oblivion, and it's about addiction. Ooh. So enjoy. Sit in your seat, sipping your drink. Let that elusive theme cloud what you think. Too late to go out, we'll stay home instead. Got all the friends you could want in the fridge and your head. So open up another, feel the cold taste of loneliness. And when she shouts your mind numbs her, you carry on regardless. Says there's no way to save this. You don't give her the things that you've done, and this addiction will kill you. You're heading for oblivion. Well, arguments start when your heart is hurting. There's blame to dish out, and everyone gets second service. Your mind is quite blurry, so you can't see clear. You run from the house to find courage and be anywhere but here. So open up another, feel the cold taste of loneliness. When she shouts your mind numbs her, you carry on regardless. She says there's no way to save this. You don't give her the things that you've done, and this addiction will kill you. You're heading for oblivion. Drink to forgive, drink to forget, drink to hide all the things you regret in your life. Well, it will never suffice. Drink to forgive, drink to forget, drink to hide all the things you regret in your life. It will never suffice. We'll drink to forget, we'll drink to forget, we'll drink to hide all the things we regret in our lives. Now she'll leave you with nothing but feelings you don't understand. You say there's no way to save this, and you don't care, so you grab your gun. And this addiction will kill her, she's heading for. Your addiction will kill you, you're heading for. Your addiction has left you alone in oblivion. Thank you. Right, so that was some quite serious subject matter we were going on about then. Oh, I was going on about, you guys were going on about, unless you were talking, which is fine. So I'm gonna have to pick things up now because it's gone very solemn, all of this. I bet a song about love and things like that. It's quite nice. So this is a song called... Oh, that doesn't sound right. Twice I played the chord in the wrong place. Be why. Right, so this is a... Actually... That's better. This is a song I recorded called Only You. And... yes, it's a love song of sorts, I guess. So I hope you enjoy it. I'm always thinking, worrying too. My mind's always wondering about everything you do. And yes, I trust you, but I'm just scared of losing you to the evils looking out there. 'Cause you're oh so perfect, you fit like 2 and 2. But when you're gone, I can't help but feel that I'm losing you. And I don't know if I'm crazy, but I'm madly in love. And these words are meant to sadden you, just let you know what I'm thinking of. 'Cause all I've ever wanted was you and only you. And there were no other words left on this earth that could ever be more true. And I've loved you all this time, but I'm still in love today. So hold me close and don't let go, nothing will ever change. I'm a rock, you're a diamond, cut to shine so bright. Well, I'm just dull and lucky, I guess, but that's alright. 'Cause you see past the darkness, the cracks of that breakthrough. You clean me up when I'm feeling down and take away the hurt. But by the time these words will reach you, you'll be back in my arms. And I'll be holding you, protecting you from any harm. And that's all I want to be, is yours through and through. So remember when I mess up that I'm just crazy about you. 'Cause that's all I've ever wanted, is you and only you. And there are no other words left on this earth that could ever be more true. And I've loved you all this time, but I'm still in love today. So hold me close and don't let go, nothing will ever change. on my mind, always in my heart. I wish I could erase my mistakes and go back to the start. I'd never hurt your feelings, be there all the time. And I'd tell you that I'm forever yours, and I hope that you'd be mine. 'Cause by the time these words reach you, you'll be back in my arms. And I'll be holding you, protecting you from any harm. And that's all I want to be, is yours through and through. So remember when I mess up that I'm just crazy about you. 'Cause that's all I've ever wanted, is you and only you. And there are no other words I've told myself that could ever be more true. And I've loved you all this time, well I'm still in love again. So hold me close and don't let go, nothing will ever change. Cheers. So I have a few more songs left. Just a few, innit, Yanni? Yeah, just a few more songs, innit? It's got 4 hours to fill, apparently. Well, apparently I'm the only one here, so... But I'm not playing for 4 hours. Oh, that sounds horrible, sorry. This is actually the first of 3 sets I'm doing today in Cardiff. I've got this one here. I'm going to Live Lounge at 3:30. And I'm going to Porter's Bar to finish, which is nice. It's a good place, you should go. They run cinema nights as well on Sunday. It's like 2 free films. I'm just going to sit and watch them. Have a pint, have some pizza. It's good. All reasonably priced as well. Not that I'm repping them or anything. Sorry, I'm taking my time over this. I just want this song to sound really, really good. Yeah. So this is a song called Golden, which is generally about just a person who makes you feel like you can do anything. That's the way I like to describe it, just that sentence. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. And I might have a couple more after this, just to wind down, I guess. But yeah, this song is called Golden. Fade from the sky behind your head is darker. I won't run, change my mind. Together we can go farther. I know you doubt if you can trust me. I have so much to prove to you. But take my hand, believe in me. I promise one day I will shine through. You made me golden, you made me great, you made me see all my mistakes. You've done so much for me, you've done so much for me. You made me rise and wanna fight all the things I know aren't right. You've done so much for me, you've done so much for me. No, we're not the best. That doesn't mean that I don't cold into my heart. Said I was perfect in your eyes. I was proud to be the man that you wanted in your life. I still am and always will be if I have you by my side. You made me golden, you made me great, you made me see all my mistakes. You've done so much for me, you've done so much for me. You made me rise and wanna fight all the things I know aren't right. You've done so much for me, you've done so much for me. Oh. You made me golden when I was broken, and I was lost. Golden, you made me golden when I was broken, and I was lost. A metal man encased in rust, and I'm made of much that all turns into gold. When an angel came along and stopped his fool. Thank you. Awesome. Networking. If anyone else wants to come up and hand me stuff, that's fine. Just not in the middle of the song. I can't really go, oh. I haven't quite mastered that yet. It's a bit like that handshake with the money thing. Loads of people, when you go play at pubs and stuff, the owners always do that, like that. I'm always just there, like, just drops. I'm just like, it's just really, really awkward. The next song I'm going to play is a song I wrote called Black and Grey. It's actually the closing track off my album, The Watcher, which is over there. You can see these there, they're £3 if you want to buy one. Oh, true. But, yeah, this song is about coming from a place where there's not really much to do, but there's good people, which makes it okay. I think a lot of people understand that feeling. And the place I come from is Newport, by the way, for people who have joined us halfway through. And there's a lot of stigma around Newport, which is well deserved. So this song is about good people in a bad place, making it okay. There's more than one reason why I'll keep singing until I die, for the people who invest their hope in me. See, I grew up in this one small city where there's not much to do, and it's such a pity. But all of the people who fight it make me believe. So I picked up my guitar, I started to write all my feelings down. So whenever I sing, I let the words remind me. So I love that time. I tell myself that I'll be fine when things go wrong. I need to remind myself that there's always another way. My friends keep me on the right path. They calm me down, they still my wrath. They help my soul to heal most every way. So I pick up my guitar, but I'm still learning to write all my feelings down. So whenever I sing, I let the words remind me. So I love that sound. Oh. And it's not for the buildings that stand tall, black and gray. To this place each and every day. And it's not where you are, it's where you want to go. And it's not what you do, it's the people you know. It's not where you are, it's where you want to go. And it's not where you are, so I still pick up my guitar and I sing songs that I wrote down. And as I reread pages, well, the words, they remind me. So I love that time. It's not for the buildings that stand tall, black and grey. But people who bring color to my life each and every day. Thank you. So anyone who's just joined us, my name is Toby Robertson, and if you just joined us right now, that's unfortunate because I'm about to play my last song. This is a song loads of people know. It's Hey Ya by Outcast. You know that song? I think most people know that song. It's just unfortunate it's in a tuning that's very different from the last song. So sorry about that. So thanks for having me. Like I said, my name's Toby Robertson. Please go pick up a card if you want any contact details or anything like that. If you just want to have a chat, I'm going to hang around for a bit. Literally, just want to chat about music, want to chat about sport. I'm not really into my sport, but if you want to chat about sport, we'll chat about sport. If you want to chat about coffee, I like coffee, so that's good. So, yes. And this last song, yeah, it's a cover of Hey Ya. As originally, this chilled out version came from a guy called Obadiah Springfield, really cool guy, who sort of chilled out the song and then just did my own version of it. So thanks for sticking around, and hope you have the rest of your days lovely as well. Hope the weather stays nice as well. But yeah, enjoy your Sunday. Cheers. My baby don't mess around because she loves me so. This I know for sure. But does she really wanna? I can't stand to see me walk out the door. I can't stand to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now. And thank God for Mom and Dad for sticking two together, cause we don't know how. And hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya. You think you got it, oh, you think you got it, but got it, just don't get it till there's nothing at all. We get together, oh, we get together, but separate's always better when there's feelings involved. And what they say is nothing is forever. What makes love the exception? Why, oh, why, oh, why, oh, why, oh, why, oh, we so into now when we know we're not happy here. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. And hey, shake it, shake, shake, shake it, shake, shake, shake it, shake, shake it, shake it on up now. Shake it, shake, shake, shake it, shake, shake, shake it, shake, shake, 'cause I am your neighbor. Shake it, shake, shake, shake it, shake, shake, shake it, shake, leave like a Polaroid picture. Shake it, shake, shake, shake it. Cheers. Thank you very much. So, I didn't say that was my last song. Yeah, I know, if you literally got no one else to fill for the rest 4 hours, like, would anyone like another song? Anyone want me to do another song? Because otherwise, that's just it. That's just the end. And you can continue to sit there instead. Yeah, another song? Yeah. A couple of people have said yes, so I don't think there's something to do now. Ryan, do you have another mic to hand? Or would it take ages to set up? You've got another mic, yeah? Can we really, really quickly set up another mic? My friend Jamie here, me and him were in a duo called the Sombertones. And we wrote an original song a couple of days ago, really. And we just need to basically play it more often. I don't know what's going on there, but yeah. Everyone was captivated though. We'll set it up really, really quick. Sorry about this. But yeah, very quickly, all the usual plugins. If you're on Twitter, my Twitter is Tobias_official. From Facebook page is Tobias Official. It's a bit tangled, isn't it? Keep rambling. YouTube, Tobias Music. SoundCloud, Tobias Robertson. Has everyone had a nice day so far? Anyone got any plans? Didn't go for a meal or anything? Anything nice? Just stand by there, mate. Try and remember the lyrics as well. It's fine. It's fine. No one here really cares how the lead looks. That's fine. Does anyone really care how that looks? No? No? Good. Right. Give a little check, Jim. Good little check.
1 2 1 2 1 2. How's that for you? 1 2 check 1 2 1 2 1 2.
Yeah, there we go.
2.
That's about good, isn't it? Yeah. So this song is called Ascendance. I hope you enjoy. Head's been underwater for so long, but did anyone even notice that I was gone? And I've been drowning for some time, weighted down by this body of mine. Something special is happening to me, but I can't fade away. I'm realizing my chains are broken and I don't have to stay. Desperately, hopefully running free, I can't be left here again. Clinging on, keeping strong, what went wrong, I won't be left here again. Desperately, hopefully running free, I can't be left here again. Clinging on, keeping strong, what went wrong, I won't be left here again.
I'm heading to the darkness, I'm not going
realize that my chains are broken and I don't have to stay. Desperately, hopefully running free, I can't be left here again. Clinging on, keeping strong, what went wrong, I won't be left here again. Desperately, hopefully running free, I won't be left here again. Clinging on, keeping strong, what went wrong, I won't be left here again. The light is getting closer, I can feel the sun.
I know that I am one. This is the beginning. I can feel the sun. Started out with nothing. Now look what I have done.
Light is getting closer, I can feel the sun. The battle's nearly over, I know that I won. This is the beginning, I don't know what's to come. Started out with nothing, but look what I have done. And special is happening to me that I can't break away. Desperately, hopefully running free, I can be left here again. Clinging on, keeping strong, what went wrong, I won't be left here again. Desperately, hopefully running free, I won't be left here again. Clinging on, keeping strong, what went wrong, I won't be left here again. Do-do-do-do. 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 Do-do-do. Cheers.